I'm so pumped. This is so exciting! A tiny influencer. I literally don't even have 1,000 followers on Instagram. Hi guys, my name is Haley. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I have been so excited to film this video and I can't wait to show you these things. This is so exciting. So today's video is going to be a little PR/collab unboxing for brand deals that I am doing this week and month. I have 7 packages here to show you. I think it's 7, and I'm just so excited to open them. I've been getting them throughout this week. These are all the brand deals I've gotten this week as a tiny influencer. I literally don't even have 1,000 followers on Instagram. So if you want to learn how you can get brand deals too as a very small influencer, I'm also going to tell you how I got these brand deals and how you can too, and the apps I use, and also reaching out to brands and how I do that. So let's just get into the video so we can start opening these packages. I totally forgot I needed a way to open them, so I just grabbed a knife from the kitchen. It'll work. Let's get into opening these. Guys, I'm so excited. So this is the first package I got. It was, well, I guess let's open it and see, because I'm not really sure which package it was. Oh, it just opens really easily. Ooh, I know what this is. Okay, so this brand, I'll put their name on the screen somewhere or something, reached out to me and asked if they could send me their color hair mask. So that's what this is. They sent me 3 different ones. So I got Cherry Blossom, Sweet Violet, and Rose Peach. These are temporary hair dye kind of, but it's a hair mask. So I'm very excited to try these. This was more like PR. They just sent me these. I don't have to do anything in exchange for these products. They just wanted to gift them to me. And with this brand deal, they just DM'd me on Instagram, and that's how I got these products. Let's open the next one. I am not sure what this is. It kind of sounds like clothes, so let's see, because I have a collab. I hope I don't cut anything open. I have a collab with this company that sells on Amazon, where they send me products to do a try on haul type thing. So that video will be up soon, and I think a couple of these packages are their clothes. I know I got one package already that I opened before I thought of filming this video. So they just sent me a few items from Amazon, and I think that's probably what this is. So let's see. Hopefully you can see me. I don't even know how my camera's set up. Yeah, this is some sort of clothing. I'm so excited to film this video because then I can actually start using these products. I've been waiting all week. I was getting packages every day, and I was I just want to see what they are. Alright, let's see what I got. This actually looks like it could be cute. I'll have a try on haul anyway on here, so you guys will see this if you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can see when I upload that. It's basically just a windbreaker type jacket. So what it looks like. I don't know how well you can see it. It's super long too, but that'll be up soon, so that's part of that. Also, for that collab, they reached out to me again. I don't know how they found me, but they DM'd me on Instagram. We worked together, and then they DM'd me again, and we did another collab. That one was paid. So now when I work with them, it is a paid collab, so that's pretty awesome. They reached out to me on Instagram and then emailed me, so I'm not really sure how I can tell you how to get those kind of brand deals, because I don't know how they found me. Since I have more from Amazon, let's just see what this one is. This is definitely more from that same company. I think that they sent me 7 things maybe, and I already opened a few of them, or one of them. So it's another shirt. This one is another windbreaker type material jacket. It's orange inside. That's interesting. We'll see if I can style that in a cute way. My bed is literally going to be a mess from filming this video, so hopefully it's not that bad, but I got 3 more packages here to open. Maybe I only had 6 packages. Anyway, moving on to the next. I think this is still from that same company, because it definitely feels like clothes. Yes. This package has 2 things in it. This one is a blue dress, which I don't know how I feel about this because they sent me pictures before of what they were going to send me. And here's how it looks. I guess we'll see it on in the try on haul. So hopefully that'll be posted soon so that you can see that. Next one. This one looks like it's going to be cute. Whoops, I totally just broke this packaging. It's fine. Aw, this is really cute. This one I definitely will be wearing this fall. Look how adorable this is. Like, what? I kind of love it, so that's awesome. I have one more package that feels like clothes, and then the last thing is the thing I'm the most excited for, so I'm saving it for last. So definitely keep watching this video. It won't be that much longer until we get to it. This one is again from the same company, and I don't even know what this is. Oh, it looks like a cardigan type thing. I actually like the color of this. I don't think I own anything that's this color, so that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try all those things on. It'll be fun. Now finally, the most exciting part. I cannot wait to show you these things. There should be things from more than one brand in here. Open it. This is so exciting. I literally love this. All right, I'm just gonna start at the top. This is, I'm so pumped. So Isle of Paradise, if you know that brand, I'll put it up somewhere. They sent me their Pro Glow Spray Tan Kit. Jeez, I can't talk. Came with self-tanning water and the mister thing. So let's open this up because I want to see how it looks inside. This collab is like actually so exciting because I literally am so small on social media. Like so small, and they sent me stuff, and like they're a big brand, and like people know them, so it's like super cool. This is for a TikTok collaboration, by the way, too. And I have 2 different TikTok accounts. I have one that I post on consistently now that I just started in September. That one's at like 800 followers. And so that's my new one. That's the one that you guys want to go follow if you want to follow me, because that's the one I'm posting on. And then I actually got this collaboration with my old TikTok account because it's set up on Octilly, or however you say that website, which is where I got this brand deal. I'll talk more about that in a second, but super excited for this. Oh my goodness. So they sent me the Pro Glow Spray Tan Mister thingy. I'm very excited to try this because I've heard lots of good things just about these misters in general, and they have one, so that's super cool. And then they also sent me the self-tanning water refill. It just looks like this. So this is what Isle of Paradise sent me. The next one is Alpine Beauty. I don't know if that's how you say it. This is what it looks like. They sent me the Triple C Brightening Bounce Cream, which I think that this is a new product, so that'll be so fun to try. I don't really know what exactly it is, but it looks like that. I'll have to look more into what this is. This one was also through Octilly. The last one, this one is super exciting too. I got packages everywhere, jeez. It's a mess in here. Anyway, this is the Naturally Serious, I think that's the name of the brand. They sent me 3 products for a TikTok video, and they sent me the Gentle Cream Cleanser, which this I'm super excited to try because my skin has been like not good at all recently, and I really want to find a new cleanser that I like. They also sent me the Resurfacing Facial Remedy. I'm not really sure what this is. So this one just looks like this. It's like a smaller size compared to this one. It came in that cute package. The last thing in this entire haul is another thing from them. The last product that they sent me is, let's see, a serum. So it's an antioxidant moisture serum. These are all the same brand products. I'm very excited to try these, and I can't wait. And these are all for TikTok videos. I'm not really sure if I did a good job explaining what each collab is for, and how I got them. So I'm just going to go over that again. If you want to know how to get brands to work with you like this as a super small influencer, then keep watching because right now I'm going to explain that. So starting with the first one, just a little recap. This brand, I actually don't know how to say it, but I'll put it on the screen again. They sent me 3 of their color hair masks, and this was just a gifted item. They don't expect anything in return, so I don't have to post anything or whatever. I'm also not getting paid, so that's that one. Second, all of the Amazon clothes from that company, that is a paid collab for YouTube, and they reached out to me. The next one, Isle Paradise. This was from, actually, I don't know how to say it. I feel like that's right, but I'm not 100% sure. And this was for a TikTok collab. I'm not getting paid for this one, and that was through that website. And then these other 2 collabs too were also TikTok collabs through that app. So I'll explain that right now. This video is not sponsored or anything by them. I just want to tell you about them because if you're a super small influencer, this is like definitely the way to start. Basically, on the website, you go on it, and I don't even think there's like an application process. I think that you just sign up. You have to have 1,000 followers on each platform, which the only platform I have 1,000 followers on besides YouTube right now is my old TikTok account that I don't really use anymore. So basically you have 4 credits initially. Actually, it might be different for everybody depending on like what you do and what you link to your account. But you have 4 credits, so basically you can just go through all their products and order what you want. You have like, if you have 4 credits, you can get 4 things. And then they'll either get accepted and you'll receive the products, and then you have 21 days to do whatever you're doing for that collaboration, or they get declined. And I initially ordered these 3 things because I wanted to try them, and they all got accepted right away. And my 4th credit, there was like no response for like a week, so that's why I still don't have that last product that I'm doing a collab for. But after you like do whatever you have to do, like for me it's a TikTok video, you like post it or whatever, and then they give you your credits back so that you can try more products. So I definitely think that this is like a great way for really small influencers to like get started and start receiving free stuff. There is some paid campaigns on there, but I'm not sure if you have to have a certain amount of followers or something. They were just all sold out when I was looking. One of my biggest tips, this is just random, but for influencing like as a very small influencer, is to start with affiliate marketing. If you're not on Like to Know It, then you definitely should be. And if you are on Like to Know It, go follow me. I'll put my link somewhere so that you can find my account and shop my looks. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start working with brands before you actually work with the brand and start promoting products and getting paid, even if the brand doesn't know about it. You can work with so many brands on there, and it's literally so epic. Like, it is literally awesome. I love it. And you can start making money no matter how big of a following you have, so that's super cool. Also, I just want to say thank you to any of these brands. If you're watching, I doubt you are, but thank you for sending me these products. I am so excited and like truly grateful, and I think that is so awesome. And I'm hoping to grow on social media, obviously, as an influencer, and start making more money and start getting more products and promoting stuff that I love. And I'm just very excited that it's like actually going somewhere with my social media journey. And I definitely think that anyone can do it. So if you're thinking about influencing, just start, because you literally don't have to wait. Like I got my first paid brand deal at 600 subscribers on YouTube. So you can do it. Like, it works. You just have to put in a little bit of effort, and it's like so fun. I love my job. It's like literally epic. So again, thank you to all these brands. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to know specific things about influencing or growing on Instagram, or how to get brand deals with such a small following, then comment them down below or DM me on Instagram at Haley_Bush_, and I will totally make a video or answer your questions. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I do put a lot of stuff on there, and you can look at my outfits every day. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.